As a CISO for INVISTA, my responsibilities include the protection of our intellectual property, as well as the overall protection of both our business networks, our IT networks, and our OT networks. As these systems become interconnected and we become more reliant upon them, especially from a transformational standpoint, the situation where cybersecurity risk could increase goes up exponentially in many cases. One of the big things that we have seen is a need for understanding the visibility and what is the potential threat within the process control environment. We were excited to see where Dragos was taking this space. We were excited to see how they could potentially give us the visibility and the quick reaction in the event that a situation were to arise within our process control environments, which we all know at some point in time that will happen. And that's one of the things we were most concerned about, was understanding what is down in our process control environments. How do we mitigate that risk effectively and efficiently? And then how do we get back and recover to a state prior to the incident? One of the key things that INVISTA has that sets us apart from our competition is some of our intellectual property. And it's highly valuable to INVISTA. And so therefore, one of the big factors that we wanted to understand is, as we are looking for the proper company to help us protect our operational technology environment, is who can help us best protect our intellectual property in places around the globe. And therefore, that was one of the aspects we saw with Dragos and what they have done in the past with other companies, and the ability to potentially alert me in the event that there could be somebody that could be attempting to gain access to our intellectual property, set them apart from other competitors in this space.